Stimami Sterilisami is now in its 7th year of operation, and over the last 6.5 years, we have sterilized 31,000 animals that we have a record and we have addresses from. With this help that we receive now from the Tourism Enhancement Fund, we will be able to, and aiming at, another 6,000 dogs and cats that we will be sterilizing this year. And in the room are 2 board members for Stimami Sterilisami, Jesse Arens and Cressy Biemans, who are board members, and together with the other board members, we have been working hard to resolve a huge image problem for Aruba, but not only an image problem, but also a safety problem for the population. People that walk the streets, people that are jogging, bike riders, neighborhoods that are unsafe to walk because they're street animals that are let loose by owners, and they procreate and create a major menace for the Aruban society. So again, thank you so much. We will continue working assiduously to do as much as we can.